Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR token. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that it was dropped at the support of a very big rising wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart. And after that, I shared this video with you when it was geared up from the support of the rising wedge pattern. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently it is rejected by the resistance of this wedge. It geared up and reached the resistance, but could not break it out. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my last successful trade setup of render token that I shared with my members. And by the way, I shared this idea on 14th of January 2023. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that render token formed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. In fact, it was completing the final leg. Therefore, I told my members that once it will be dropped here, then we can expect the next price reversal. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line completed the final leg of this garlic move. And after entering here, it turned very, very strong bullish. And this was, by the way, more than 270% rally on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bad move that was also getting completed on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this time it was getting formed on, with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bat move, dropped down and completed the leg here. Then we had almost 40% pump of render token. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you here on this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that render token first broke out a very big channel in the month of October 2022, and after getting rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.17, the price line dropped down, formed a double bottom here, and then we had another very nice pump. And during this move, by the way, it has formed another rising wedge pattern. And recently, the price line was dropped down at the support of the rising wedge pattern. And I was telling you that we have double supports here, two supports. The first one is the support of the rising wedge pattern, and the second one is this red line. That is the EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart. That is slightly down than the support of the rising wedge pattern. And now you can see that the price line has reached the resistance of this rising wedge. And in case of breaking out the resistance, it can turn very, very strong bullish. Okay, here we can see that the price line formed a round shape, but here we have a kind of W pattern. You can see we have a very big, even triple bottom here. And this was a very big bottom, by the way. So it was a kind of W shape. Therefore, it is difficult to assume this pattern has a cup and handle. However, if you place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then you can see it retraced more than 50% of the body of the cup. Therefore, so far, this cup and handle, for example, if we ignore this W-shaped pattern for this cup and handle, even in that situation, it is not forming a perfect cup and handle, because it has, while forming the handle of the cup, it has retraced more than 50% of the body of the cup. In that situation, this cup and handle move is invalidated. However, if we ignore this extra spike, then we can consider that it has retraced up to 50% of the body of the cup, and it can behave like a cupping handle. And in that situation, we have the resistance of this cupping handle here. This was the handle of the cup, and it has broken out the resistance of the handle, and now about to break out the resistance of the cup as well. Now, let me just show you the target. For example, if it is about to behave the cupping handle, because if we ignore this extra spike, then we can consider this level, this move as a cupping handle. Then we can expect a target here that will be approximately at $18. However, I'm expecting that if it will not behave like a cupping handle, but it is a perfect rising wedge pattern, and in case of breaking out the resistance of the rising wedge, it can hit here, this target that will be approximately at $15. And the target for this down channel is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.